That means 1 किलोमीटर पर आवर। सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद ये वैल्यू आ रही है 13 को फेस कर रही है। तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का 10⁸ मीटर पर सेकेंड और उस एम्बुलेंस की वेलोसिटी है vs हो जाएगी। कोई लाइट यहाँ पे नहीं आएगी और ये In my long journey of teaching physics, many times I had experienced that explaining certain principles used to be difficult due to issues of visualization and time constraint. To overcome the limitations of the board teaching, I started using animations in my PowerPoint presentations. I used PowerPoint to avoid writing and use the time in discussion of the concepts. The course Learn with Video is a curative product based on my experiences and my effort to make learning easy for all the students. Physics is the subject requires logical reasoning and high imagination of brain. For making concepts clear, in-depth interactive discussions and animations are required. I use PowerPoint style of teaching with embedded animations and interactive discussions to achieve the aim of explaining the topic easily to the student. Total duration of all modules is approximately 535 hours and total number of videos are approximately 1600.